Welcome back. Let's head back to the track where the fastest woman alive over 200 meters, Shericaka Jackson, bounced back to winning ways at the Stockholm Diamond League Meet on Sunday. The two-time world champion over the distance ran a season's best 22.69 seconds to be the only Jamaican winner on the day.
It's gone. Battle as well is battling hard now. Has Jackson got this race won? Yes, she has. Let's keep an eye on the clock. 22.68. It is an improvement.
The informed Rochelle Clayton had to settle for second in the women's 400-meter hurdles behind the outstanding Femke Ball of the Netherlands. Clayton, fresh from 3 consecutive victories, posted 53.78 to trail Ball, who finished strongly in 53.07. 2 other Jamaicans, Antoinette Knight, 54.62, and Jenny Russell, 54.99, ended 3rd and 4th, respectively.
I think Knight might have gone off a little bit too aggressively. We shall see. She's certainly taken the race to the Dutch athlete, and brilliant out in lane 6 is Rochelle Clayton. The Jamaicans challenging Bull here. They're determined not to be dominated by the Dutch athlete, who's normally so strong down the home straight. She's a massive figure physically, massive as well in her ability, and she eases away now as Knight in lane 4 goes backwards. Clayton putting up stout resistance, but Bull over the last 50 storms away. 53.07, not as quick as Sydney McLaughlin 2 nights ago, but she won't be worried about that.
In other events, Natasha Morrison finished 7th in the women's 100 meters, clocking 11.41. The event was won by Gina Mariam Batea of Gambia. Shanika Ricketts was next to secure a podium place in the women's triple jump, leaping 14.40 meters for second. Compatriot Kimberly Williams at 13.48 was 9th. In the women's shot put, Danielle Thomas Dodd was 5th with a throw of 18.77 meters. American Chase Jackson winning with 20.01 meters. On the men's side, Raheem Ford was 4th in the 100 meters, clocking 10.22. Emmanuel Izini of Cameroon, 10.16 to the event.
Beautifully did he come through, but I think Asemi has got it. Asemi from Cameroon.
While national record holder in the discus, Frederick Dakers could only manage 6th with the best throw of 64.21 meters. The event was won by world record holder Nicholas Alekna from Lithuania with 68.64 meters.